Hello everyone, Mel here. I like we can do some squat exercise here. And you know I have options. I have four for you. So if you want to start or just to warm up your legs, you know you can stay nice and tall, alternate lifting your legs, pointing your toes up towards the sky. We need to keep your quads strong and also your glutes for you to stay independent as long as possible. Option two, you're going to do the chair squat, as you know. Okay? Try to do between 10, 12, 15. Listen to your each weight. The other option, you're right behind your chair, shoulders down and back. You're going to do a plie. I find it easier for my knees as well. And come up, contract your glutes. You really need to finish your movement. Same thing. Try to do between 10 and 15 repetitions. If you want to do option four, you're going to use your elastic, but you need to keep your chest up. You're going to use that. Open the legs, grab it shorter. We're going to lift the chest, bend your knees, exhale, contract your glutes. That's your option four. So you really need to be more advanced to do this one. So down, open your knees, exhale up, contract your glutes. Shoulders are down, arms are staying straight. That's it. And see my elastic is just extending with the movement of my knees. Inhale, exhale up. I'm trying to go 2 seconds down, 2 seconds up. That's it. Let's go again for 6, 5, in 4, 3. If you need a break, you take the break. 2 more. That's it. And one more time. Good. And slowly release. Now I'm going to go with my upper body and I'm going to switch my elastic band for a lighter one. You're going to grab the handles. That way you're going to protect your face. Let's go right here. I'm going to do a lower and upper body exercise. I'm saving time, okay? Shoulders are down, and you're gonna stretch only your right arm down right here, just your right. At the same time, I like we can do the legs, tap to the side, and then let's go down, come back. Shoulders are always down, inhale, exhale to go. Okay, we're gonna go for 10. Let's go together. Shoulders down, exhale, slowly come back, slowly open to the side. Stay right here. I'm just gonna turn. You might see something different and I'm doing here. There we go. Okay. And 5, anytime it's too much for your shoulders, again, please take your break. In 3, and 2, and one more time. We're gonna take a little break, rotate your shoulders. I'm gonna give you another exercise instead. You're gonna bring your heels together. You're gonna contract your glutes. Shoulders are down and back, and you're gonna pull back right here. Shoulders are down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale to pull. Okay. And again, I'm going straight back behind my hips. Shoulders are down and back. Abs are tight. And let's go again for 8, 7, 6, 5. Are you still contracting your glutes? 4. Where do you feel it? 3. So you should feel at the back of your arms, triceps. What about the back of your shoulders? Maybe you're feeling something in the front, stretching. And let's go for one more. That's it. And release and rotate your shoulders. I'm going to go back, up, and I'm going to go with the other leg. Let's go with the other arm. Again, keep the shoulders down right in the pockets the entire time. I'm going to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. That's it. And we have 5 more to go. 4. Again, listen to your shoulders. 3, Two more. And last one. Nice. And slowly release. Rotate again your shoulders backwards. I'm going to step on my elastic band and I'm going to do some rolls. So right here, you're going to open your legs hip bones apart. Grab it short. I'm going to turn again sideways here. You're going to see better what I'm doing, and I'm going to face you again. So shoulders are down and back. Abs are tight to protect your lower back. And we're going to stay down, and we're going to roll. So bring your elbows very close to your body. Inhale, exhale. So I want you to have a very long and straight spine. So from your hip all the way to your head. So don't let go of your head. Are you ready? Let's try to do between 8 and 10. I'm going to do 10. Listen to your shoulders. Ready? And your back. Let's go. Inhale, lower. Exhale up. Press your big toes right here on the floor. That's what's going to help elevate your arch of your feet, but also your knees. Beautiful. Can we go for 5, 4, and 3, and 2. One more time. Good. And slowly release. We're going to stay right here. The band is stretched out. Walk. 4, 3, shoulders down. 2. We're going to switch. Same thing. Let's go. 4. Keep an eye on your chair here. There's noise behind me. There we go. And switch it up. 4, 3, 2. Do you feel something? And let's switch in 4, 3, and 2. Beautiful. Can we go for 2? If it's too hard or you're feeling too much lactic acid, the burning sensation in your hips, take a break. Let's switch. Shoulders are down. And again, 2 more each side. And 1 more right here. There we go. Beautiful. And release. Step away. Right here. We're going to bring it. Let's bring it in front. Shoulders are down and back. And I'm going to do this movement. So arms are straight, slightly bent. And then I'm going to open right here on my chest. At the same time, I'm going to do a leg curl. So I want you to keep your knees parallel to each other. And you're going to curl. Listen to your knee joint, okay? So exhale. Inhale, look straight ahead. Inhale, exhale. Good. Again for 5, 4. Very good for balance as well. 3, 2. One more time. Nice. And release. Rotate your shoulders. We have 2 legs. I'm going to do different movements now for your upper body. You're going to keep your elbows by your side the entire time. Shoulders down and back. And I'm just going to open right here for rotator cuff. And we're going to inhale, exhale to open. Now we're going to go back with the other leg. Legs are parallel to each other. And just curl. Shoulders down and back. Little chin tuck. Abs into your spine. And let's go. Good. Feel the work in your shoulders. Maybe the back of your leg as well in your hamstrings. Maybe a little bit of glutes. In 3, 2, and 1 more time. Voila, good job. We just completed the elastic exercise, and then let's grab the mat, and we're going to do 2 exercises right here. If not, you don't want to go on the mat, I'm going to give you options for the chair. See you in a bit. Welcome back. If you want to go on the floor, please go ahead and just turn on your side and to keep a visual on me. You're going to need your elastic band as well, so just bring it with you. On the chair. Let's go right here. You're going to use your hands, and I want you to push yourself right here. You really need to listen to your shoulders because this exercise is not for everybody. Okay, so you're going to inhale, exhale, use your triceps, stay strong, and push the bum forward. If you don't like this one because of your upper body or you're feeling your shoulders are lifting, you know what? You're going to do this one instead. Or you can do the leg straight right here. So leg curl is an option. Or right here, leg straight back. On your back, you're going to use your elastic. We're going to do bridge. And look what I'm going to do here. I'm going to keep my band right here on my hips. Arms are staying in contact with the floor. And I'm going to inhale, exhale, bring the bum up, squeezing the glutes, keeping my hands right here in contact with the floor. Let's try to do 8 or 10 reps. We're going to inhale, exhale. Okay, inhale to lower, exhale up. On the chair, you can do 10 each leg. And when you're done, just wait for us. Good. So feel the back of your shoulders working here. Also your triceps a little bit. And core, glutes, hamstrings, the back of your thighs. We're going to go for 4, 3, and 2. And last one. Good. And release. If you feel the need to bring your knees to your chest, please go ahead. Then we're going to do the climb. On the chair, you don't need to do a knot. But here, I want you to do a knot right here on top. So bring your legs together. And let's do it right here. Tight, 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 double. There we go. Right here. Okay. So I'm going to give you an exercise right here on the floor, and then I'm going to show the exercise for the chair. Legs have to be together. Shoulders are down and back. Abs are tight. Bring your lower back in contact with the mat. We're going to slowly open your legs right here. Inhale, exhale to open. So feet are staying together, looking straight up at the sky. If you're looking like that, you're going to need support behind your head. So maybe a cushion to have your eyes straight up at the ceiling on the sky. Okay? Chair is the same thing. You don't need to do the knot here. You can just cross your elastic band nice and tall. And same thing, open right here. We're going to go for 12. Let's go. So just count your reps. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Are you breathing? Inhale. Exhale. Good job. And I lost count. Let's go for 4. And 3. And 2. Do you feel your glutes? And one more time. Beautiful. And release the elastic band. And then we're just going to stretch. So if you need water, please go ahead. You can pause this video. And you're welcome to join us right here on the chair.